Okay, Google. A general rule of thumb when doing a job is if you can get a job to pay for a tool and make a profit, you're winning. So, I got this Bosch rotary hammer. Let's see here. 8 amp. Pretty excited. Yeah. Crime's gotten pretty bad here in Albuquerque, so now when you go to Home Depot, you have to check out the tool and, you know, basically can't shop with it in your box like you used to, but whatevs. Oh man, this is nice. Look at that. Oh, wow. So, stay tuned. We're gonna be using this thing.